How to cook eggs with Josh Pickles. This is Josh, and he's ready to cook some eggs. The first step is to crack them open. Well, that's a messy way to open your eggs there, Josh. You can't eat those shells. What's your idea this time? Oh, the same thing, with more eggshells. A beer for breakfast will help. Better grab some more eggs. Using a steak knife to open eggs may not work very well either. You should try cracking them open. Like that, sort of, with less shells. Another beer won't hurt. And he has an idea. Some lighter fluid will cook them faster. Be careful now. I guess we'll cook all the eggs at once then. Be careful lighting the flame. This may be explosive. And another beer. Those eggs are really cooking. You may not want to eat them. Oh dear. Goodbye for now.